Hello guys.
Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology blog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Bluestacks on Windows. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, visit Bluestacks' official website from the link provided in the description, and click on Download. The latest version of Bluestacks will be displayed on the home screen itself. Run the downloaded application. Then, Installation Wizard will pop up. Click on Install to start the installation process. It takes some time to download the resource files. And, after the completion of Installation Wizard, you will find the interface as showing in the tutorial. On the left top of the window, you will find two options. One is Home button, and the other one is Recent Tabs option. On the home page, you will find a folder named System Apps. Click on it to open the folder. And there, you will the apps like Camera, Settings, Chrome, and Media Manager. On the right side, you will find a toolbar. It contains tools like Toggle Full Screen, Increase Volume, Decrease Volume, and some other useful tools. At the bottom of the toolbar, you will find the Settings option. Click on it. From here, you can customize the Bluestacks. In the Settings, Performance is the first one. In this section, you will find the options like CPU allocation, memory allocation, performance mode, and frame rate. By enabling the higher FPS option, you can increase the frame rate up to 240 FPS. Next section is Display. In this section, you are allowed to modify the display resolution, pixel density, and mouse cursor style. By default, display resolution will be adjusted according to your PC. You can modify it up to 2560 by 1440. And the pixel density up to 320 dpi. Graphics. In this section, you will find the options like Graphics Engine Mode, Graphics Renderer, Interface Renderer, and ASTC Textures. These options may vary according to your system graphic configurations. Preferences. From here, you can choose the language for the Bluestacks application. By enabling this option, you can connect Bluestacks with Discord. This option enables creating desktop shortcut after installing any application in the Bluestacks. From here, you can choose the ESC key behavior. By clicking on the Choose Path, you are allowed to choose the media folder to save the files. Device settings. Here, you can choose your device profile and network provider. Bluestacks provides different types of device profiles as showing in the tutorial. Shortcuts. From here, you can set custom keyboard shortcut keys for various functions and actions like Windows Actions, System Actions, Android Actions, Game Controls, and Miscellaneous. Advanced. Here, you will find the options like Application Binary Interface, Android Debug Bridge, and Input Debugging. About. Here, all the information regarding Bluestacks will be found. From here itself, you can check for new updates by clicking on Check for Updates. Also, the support links will be found here. There are a lot of ways to download any application in Bluestacks. Method 1. Game Center. In the Bluestacks, you will find an inbuilt app store called Game Center. It will be found on the home page of the application. Click on it to open. The interface of the Game Center will be seen as showing in the tutorial. You can also download the Playstore application from here itself. Method 2. Playstore. Open Playstore. And then you are asked to sign in using Google account. Click on Sign In. Enter your email or phone number and hit Enter. Enter the password and click on Next and complete the sign-in process. After the completion of Sign In, you will find the Playstore interface as showing in the tutorial. The interface of the Playstore looks similar to the mobile Playstore interface. To download the application, just click on the application and hit on Install. Method 3. From external sources. In this method, the Android application is downloaded on your browser. Double-click on the downloaded Android application. Then, the application will be installed on the Bluestacks. If your Bluestacks slowed down, then check out our video on how to speed up Bluestacks. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.